Hey everybody, Josh with JDS Science Supply, and today we're talking about the wrap hook from Autoskins. This little tool is super handy when doing a full wrap and you have to wrap the vinyl around the inside edge of a door panel or a trunk. So I'm going to show you real quick how it works. This is a 7-inch version, and it's got a hook that goes this way and then a smaller hook that kind of goes another different direction, and it's intended to hook into the latch hook on the door frame, if you can see in there. So I'm going to take the small hook, put that in here, with the other hook will be open to the rear of the vehicle, and then I'm going to insert the larger end into the slot where it would latch into the frame on the door. Now it's locked in, so when I go to apply my vinyl like I have tacked up here, I can put it up here. We're wrapping the door, time to wrap around the edge, and now I'm pushing and pulling, and I can give the vinyl a nice tuck the way it's meant to be. To release it, simply just pull the handle. It releases the wrap hook, and now we can go to the back, and I'll show you how it works on a tailgate real quick. Open the gate like normal, or your trunk. You're going to locate the loop on the frame of the vehicle, and the small end, or the small loop, will go into the frame side, and then we'll pull the hood down with the opening towards the bottom, find the latch in the trunk or the tailgate, and again you see there where it's not going to go anywhere, and I can work and now wrap the vinyl up underneath there. For more information about this product and other items we have, call us at the number below or check us out online at jdsciencesupply.com. Thanks for watching.